Which of the following is a Java method for sorting an array in ascending order? Option A, short ascending method. Option B, short method. Option C, sort by ascending method. Option D, order ascending. Okay, let's check all these options one by one and find out the correct one. But before that, just let me tell you one program of the arrays so that you can understand the workings and the method which we actually use for the sorting an array. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the example program. In this program, you can clearly see we have one class. Class name is main arrays. Inside the main arrays class, we have the main method, entry point of any Java program. And then after that, we have, let me change the color. Okay, after that, we have the integer array, which is named as numbers. The object name as numbers. In that object, we are storing this array 5, 3, 8, 1. And after that we are sorting that arrays dot sort numbers. And once these numbers will be sorted, you can see the output with the help of the system.out.println arrays.toString numbers. We are using to print the output of this program, and clearly you can see in the output a list which is having 1, 3, 5 and 8. So this is the program, and in this program we have used the sort method for sorting an array. So now we know with arrays we can use sort method to sort the arrays. Okay, let's come back to the question and let's see option A first. Short ascending. Short ascending is not a real Java method. There is no method called short ascending in Java's standard libraries. So that is why option A is wrong. Option A sounds logical, but it doesn't exist in the Java standard library. Okay, let's check option C. Sort by ascending method. Sort by ascending method, not a part of Java's standard API. Sound like it might belongs to a custom utilities or another language like JavaScript libraries or Python style naming, but it is not a valid in core Java. So that is why option C is wrong. And one more thing, let me explain you. Like you can see clearly here we are using toString method. Why we are using here? Why we can't write directly the numbers to print the output? Let me explain. In Java, arrays is a class from the java.util package, and toString is a static method of that class specifically designed to return a readable string representation of an array. In Java, like if you just write, let me tell you, if you just write system.out.println numbers, it will print something like, let me tell you, square bracket I as the rate 1a 2b 3c 4. This is because you are printing the reference of the array object, not its content. But when you use system, let me change the color, system.out.println, let me change the color because it is not visible clearly. Okay, arrays dot toString, then we have the numbers object. It converts the array to a string that looks like a list, such as 1, 3, 5, 8. So arrays.toString numbers gives you a clean human readable output of the array content. So that is why if you want to print the arrays elements, so you need to use arrays.toString number so that you will clearly get the correct output, not the reference of that object like this. So now you know the right method, which is sort method. But here you can check the option D, order ascending. Order ascending, not a real method in Java either. This method name does not exist in the arrays or collections classes. So that is why option D is wrong. Now one option is remaining, that is option B is remaining. Let me check the option B. Option B, we have the sort method, and we have clearly seen here, let me show you, seen here the sort method to sort the arrays. So what we can say, B option, sort method is correct, and the real method for the java.util.arrays package. So arrays.sort, by default it sort in ascending order for numbers and lexicographically for strings. So only one option is correct, that is option B. Let me write here, B option is correct. Okay, that is all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next one.